Hello! Today I'll show you how to integrate Instamojo Payments in Cloudfunnels. Let's begin. Log into your Cloudfunnels installation, and on the sidebar, click on Products. And make sure you have a product added, and if you don't have one, just click on Create New. Add the product title, product ID. You can enter your product URL if you have, enter in the price, choose the currency, and you can also add tax and shipping cost. Add a brief description of the product. Below, you can also add sub-products or optional products. After that's done, just click on Save. Then your product will be added successfully. Now back to your sidebar, this time click on Plugins. Now let me show you how you would install Instamojo from the marketplace to your Cloudfunnels. All you need to do is click on Add New Plugin. Select Install from Marketplace. Search for Instamojo and click on it. Then click on Install, and it will notify you if the plugin installation was successful. And you will see it here. Now you need to click on this button to enable it. And when that's activated, you will see it here on the sidebar. Now we have to set up the plugin. So click on Instamojo, found on the sidebar. Then select Create New. Now this is for the live Instamojo Payments API setup. This is for the real payments of your clients. So for this live setup, you will need an API key, auth token, and private salt. To get those, you have to log into your Instamojo account. So go to instamojo.com to get the live API keys, meaning this is for the real transactions of payments from your client. And in case you don't have one, you can just create an account and log in. On the sidebar, click on API and Plugin section. And here you will find your API key, auth token, and private salt for your live setup. First, let's click on API key, copy that, and paste it to Cloudfunnels. And do the same for the private auth token and private salt. And always remember not to share these keys to others. Enter in the title. And if you want to add a tax amount, which will be applied in the form of percentage, do so. Then save your settings. Now your live setup is done. If you want a test setup to test the payments, you have to create a test account on Instamojo. So go to test.instamojo.com. So log into that, or if you don't have an account, again, you can sign up for one. Then again, on API and Plugin section, you will find your test keys. So going back to Cloudfunnels, create a new setup for your test account. Copy that and paste it to Cloudfunnels. Then enter in the tax amount and click on Save Settings. Now that both live and test account are added, you can now go to Funnels and Sites. Choose your funnel and click on the Edit Funnel button. Select the Order Form page, click on Settings, and from here you can choose if you want to select the live account for the live Instamojo Payments or if you want to choose the test account for testing the payments, meaning it is not real payments. You can do so. Then select the product, click on Save Settings, and you're done. And that is how you would integrate Instamojo payment method on Cloudfunnels. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.